Welcome to this morning's trading session. We're back on the US dollar Swiss franc on the 60-second time frame. M1 bullish momentum showing on the chart, and we're going to be executing some 60-second trades using ITM Saturn Pro's high probability indicators here on your chart. If you have ITM Saturn Pro, you'll see that 5-minute binary market data is bullish, weak strength but bullish. So we're going to execute a high option worth $100 on the 60-second time frame. The key is to follow momentum as indicated by ITM Saturn Pro. Currently bullish on the M1 time frame as well as bullish overall on 5-minute time frames. We're heading towards a bullish call zone area. The pair is continuing strongly with 100% high call option probability at the moment. We're now looking at roughly how many seconds left? About 38 seconds left. Don't worry about chart fluctuations. It's okay if charts go here and there. It is the 60-second time frame. Fluctuations are expected, but we have a very high probability on this trade, and it's very likely that this will go through to completion. I would associate about 90% probability with this trade to go through to profitable outcome. So we got about 16 seconds, 15 left on this trade, USD CHF on the M1 time frame. And there's your breakout. That's what we were expecting. Above support, high probabilities given by ITM Saturn Pro, roughly 5 seconds left. So we should have a profitable 60-second trade here. We're going to execute a few more. So as you can see, the key is to follow instructions. To follow what ITM Saturn Pro is saying in terms of probabilities. That is the key to succeeding in 60-second options consistently. A lot of traders tend to gamble. We have about 40 seconds left in this current minute. We won't execute a trade right now. Wait for this minute to finish. About roughly 30 seconds left in this minute. And then we'll see what ITM Saturn Pro is saying in terms of probabilities and take it from there. As you can see, it's broken through that previous Fibonacci resistance area and heading strongly towards the call zone. It's even broken through the reversal area on ITM Saturn Pro. We're looking at 100% high call option probability. Everything is bullish. 5-minute, hourly, and minute-wise data is all bullish. So we're going to be looking for another 60-second trade long with another $100 investment going for a 60-second high option. So let's buy into this now. And we're in. So we're now currently in our second US dollar Swiss franc trade, aiming for higher highs. ITM Saturn Pro is indicating 100% high call option probability, which is why we took the trade. We're simply following instructions given to us by ITM Saturn Pro. There is little to no analysis required here. All we're seeing is high probability data given to us by the indicator suite, and we're using that to execute 60-second options on our platform of choice, which is Binary International. Don't worry about chart fluctuations. These are very normal. It's very unlikely that price stays in one area throughout the minute, but it's the end outcome you're interested in. Probabilities are associated with end outcomes. So right now we're in a long option, high option on the USD CHF, 100% high call option probability, and we're back in the money. We have another 10 seconds left, and it's quite likely that this will expire in the money as well, netting us another $170 on this trade. 2, 1, 0. That's our second trade that's completed. Let's see if ITM Saturn Pro is giving us some more probabilities. Yes, 100% high call option probability, fully bullish. We have another 50 seconds left in this minute. We're going to wait this minute out to make sure that probabilities are confirmed and then take another trade on the US dollar Swiss franc if the probabilities remain the same, which are high call option 100% at the moment, with strong bullish momentum on the US dollar Swiss franc. Another 30 seconds left here. We're going to just prep up and get the USD CHF pair prepared for us to take action and go back to the chart. We have another 20 odd seconds left, and we're still looking at some very strong bullish momentum. ITM Saturn Pro has 100% high call option probability, so it's very likely we'll be taking another high option in the next 10 seconds on the US dollar Swiss franc, going long on the 60-minute time frame. Again, high option worth $100 invested to net us 170 if this goes in our direction, which is most likely. Well, oops, price has changed. Let's go back there, and we're back in. Let's go back and see what the charts are saying. ITM Saturn Pro still indicating 100% high call option probability, strong bullish momentum. So it's very likely this trade too will be going through to completion. So we have 3 trades right now that we've executed, all with high probability outcomes, suggested by ITM Saturn Pro. $170 to be made in this trade if we go through to completion, which is most likely looking like so at the moment. 100% high call options are the best trades to take, especially on short time frames such as the 1 minute and 5 minute. But the whole idea is to remain in positive equity, remain in positive expectation, and that's what we're looking at the moment. Another 15 seconds to go, lots of fluctuation going on, so don't worry about the chart as yet. We have another 10 seconds left through to completion. Very likely that this trade too will be going through to completion at $170 profit on this trade. Let's go back and check the platform in a little bit. Bullish momentum is working in our favor on this pair again today. So that's 3 trades we've executed so far for $170 profit each. And we're going to see if we have more opportunities. But the video's gone on long enough now. We're about 5 minutes and 50 seconds in. This is the true nature of 60-second trading. Is very volatile, it's very quick, but what you need is positive equity over the longer run, and you need ITM Saturn Pro to indicate to you exactly when to take a trade. That is how you maintain positive expectation. Binary options are all about making positive outcomes regularly, consistently enough to beat the market, which is very, very easy to do if you follow the instructions given to you by ITM Saturn Pro. Make sure you're doing it to the T. Wait 1 minute between each trade, and when you take a trade, make sure you're going with momentum.